Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Classy Decor More. Today I'm going to be making some banana pudding. I love banana pudding because it's so easy to make. So let's get started. The ingredients will include bananas, Cool Whip, vanilla wafers, vanilla pudding, banana cream pudding, sweetened condensed milk, and water. So I have my mixing bowl right here and I'm getting ready to start adding my 1/2 cup of water to the bowl. Next, I will be adding the sweet condensed milk to my mixing bowl. You will use the entire can. So here I am pouring the condensed milk into my mixing bowl. One thing about condensed milk, it's very thick. So you will need to grab either a spatula or a spoon to get all that ooey gooey sweetness out of the can. Oh, come on out. Come on out. It's struggling, but it's coming out. Now I have my water, my sweetened condensed milk. Now let's start adding the pudding mix. Now I'm getting ready to add a 1/2 packet of banana cream and a 1/2 packet of vanilla. I'm only making enough banana pudding to serve 4 to 8 people. Now that you have all your ingredients added to your mixing bowl, it's time to start whisking all the ingredients together. Please note, when it comes to filming and recording, I'm a one-woman show, so I had to put down my phone in order to continue to whisk all the ingredients together. As you can see, all the ingredients are mixed together. Now I'm getting ready to put my pudding in the refrigerator. You can put it in there for 30 minutes or up to an entire day. It all depends on what you want to do. Now it's been maybe over 5 hours since I've had the pudding mixture in the refrigerator, and I'm getting ready to start mixing my Cool Whip inside the pudding. Now it's time to add the Cool Whip to your pudding. However, you want to use a spatula and start folding your Cool Whip into your pudding. Folding my Cool Whip with my pudding. As I mentioned, I am a one-woman show when it comes to this recording of this video. So I'm about to put the phone down, and once I come back, you will see the finished product. After you have mixed the Cool Whip and the pudding together, this is how it should look. So I only used 3 bananas. Here they are sliced. Now I'm getting ready to start building my banana pudding. I'm using a Pyrex dish. Now's the time to go grab your pudding out of the refrigerator and start building your banana pudding. So what you're seeing me do right now is taking some of the banana pudding, and for your bottom layer, you always want to put some of the pudding mixture on the bottom of your Pyrex dish. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm just spreading that all around the Pyrex dish. I did put the phone down because, like I mentioned before, it's hard for me to hold the camera and try to do this at the same time. So that's how the bottom of your bowl should look. Next, I started adding my bananas. Then I will start adding my vanilla wafers. And however you want to do this, if you want to add more bananas or if you want to add more vanilla wafers, that's up to you. Now it's time to go in with the second layer. So I'm adding my pudding and I'm going to spread it out as like if you're getting ready to frost a cake. So I'm spreading that all around. All right, now I'm getting ready to add another layer of pudding, vanilla wafers, and bananas. This is how it should look next. I'm about to go in with another layer of cookies and bananas. And now I'm going back over with a final layer of pudding. And this is my finished product. Doesn't it look yummy? So after I was finished, I put this back in the refrigerator for about 7 hours. And it was delicious when I ate it. Thank you for watching Classy Decor and more. Bye!